Hello, my friends. Welcome to the 291st episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a Tres Leches Cake. And a Tres Leches Cake is a sponge cake that has 3 types of milk in it, and we're going to top it with some whipped cream. It is so delicious, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this is the ultimate summer dessert. So grab your flour, your whipped cream, your sweetened condensed milk, and your evaporated milk sugar, because we're about to bake some Tres Leches Cake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make up the egg whites. In my stand mixer, I have 4 extra large egg whites. And we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. And we're going to whip this until it's frothy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to slowly add in a 1/4 of a cup of white sugar. And we're going to continue whipping until it reaches soft white peaks. Alright, my friends, this is what the egg whites look like. Soft white peaks and like clouds. Alright, that looks great. So now we're going to set the egg whites aside while we work on the other ingredients. Alright, my friends, to make the sponge cake, in my large bowl, I have 4 extra large egg yolks. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of white sugar. And we're going to whisk all this together until it reaches a pale yellow. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. And we're going to whisk that in until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a half a teaspoon of almond extract. And again, we're going to whisk it until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright, my friends, in my bowl, I have 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of self-rising flour that's sifted. And we're going to add this in a little at a time. And whisk until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright, last of the flour. And whisk until it's well incorporated. I love this recipe because it doesn't call for any butter or oil. And you don't have to use a stand mixer or a hand mixer. Alright, my friends, I'm going to go ahead and finish mixing everything and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing the flour in. So now we're going to gently add the egg whites that we made earlier. And we're going to fold them in a little at a time. Like so. And be careful not to over mix. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through folding the egg whites into the batter. Alright, nice and smooth. And smells good. Alright, that looks great. Now ready to pour the batter into the pan. We're going to pour it into a square pan that I greased with baking spray and lined with parchment paper. Alrighty, my friends, I poured my cake batter into the pan. Now ready to bake it. And we're going to let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's light golden brown. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I've taken my cake out of the oven. It smells awesome in this kitchen. Alright, so now we're going to let the cake cool completely. And while it's cooling, we can get started on making the milk bath. Alright, my friends, in my measuring cup, I have 1/3 of a cup of evaporated milk. And we're going to add in 1/4 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk. And for our third milk, we're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of almond milk. That's right, sugar, almond milk. It's going to give it a great flavor. We're going to give those milks a quick stir. And we're going to set this aside. Alright, my friends, the cake has cooled completely. And I flipped it over to the other side. So now we're gonna poke some holes. And we're gonna pour our 3 milks right on top of the cake. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, my friends, so all we do now is let the cake rest for 1 hour, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, while the cake is resting, let's go ahead and make the luscious whipped cream frosting. In my stand mixer with the whip attachment, we're gonna add in 1 cup of cold, heavy whipping cream, 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a quarter of a teaspoon of almond extract. And we're gonna whip all this together until it's nice and well combined. Until it reaches soft peaks. Alright, my friends, this is what our whipped cream icing look like. Now we're ready to ice the cake. So now we're gonna take our whipped cream icing, we're just gonna frost it all over. Like so. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and finish icing the cake and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through icing the cake. So now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and we're gonna let it chill overnight. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, my friends, this is what our Tres Leches cake looked like the next day. The icing is nice and firm. The cake is chilled. Alright, so all we do now is cut the ends and then I'll cut them into squares. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Tres Leches cake. And I garnish it with some strawberries. Don't that look gorgeous? And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Alright, so now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, yeah. So fluffy. Oh, I love that little hint of almond from the milk and the extracts. If y'all never had Tres Leches cake, please give this a try. Y'all will love it. This is a vanilla bite. Awesome. And this cake would be great to make with your kids. And this would be great for a beginner baker. Yum-o. Tres Leches cake delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.